Well, unfortunately, when you have a one-car garage that doubles as your workshop, you got to move stuff around, and that's okay. We're thankful for it. All right, welcome back. Today's project, we are going to be building our chicken tractor. If you watched the previous videos, which I'll post up here, we disassembled our old mega massive raised garden beds and relocating that, so you can check out those videos. But the wood left behind is what we are going to be using to make our chicken brooder. So stick with us and let's get to work. Here's the drawing I made for our plan today. All right, so the plan for these is to build a 4x8 chicken tractor, and we just did the measurements, and these boards right here are exactly 4. We've got several of these boards that are 8, and whatever we can't rip down the middle. We've also got those over there that are 6 foot. They're joined together where we had the raised garden bed, and that one is 12. So it looks like we may not need to buy any supplies. If so, it should be very minimum. Yes, that is a skill saw on an old kitchen island. It works. Now we're cutting each of the sides, and then we will glue it and screw it. All right, so at the halfway point, we've got the top, we've got the bottom with the angled edges to glide across the ground, and we're getting ready to attach the sides. What do you think? Is it Pablo approved? Huh? It's gonna keep Pablo out of the chicken tractor. All right, so we're putting on some corner braces, which really don't have to, kind of overbuilding it, but I think it'll help in the long run. All right, so now we're gonna start on the door. And you can see here, we're just utilizing some leftover hardware cloth. And we're trimming the hardware cloth where the metal panels will go. And we did not skimp on the staples. We went to town on those things. Hardware cloth is on, getting ready for the roof. All right, so here's some of the leftover metal from the raised garden beds. You're good. It's gonna be the sides. Plastic on the top makes it a little bit lighter for the door.
And so the chickens don't roast, I guess.
And the chickens don't roast, yep. All right, so we are finishing up our chicken tractor, and I've got to cut this metal piece. Take your skill saw, take off the blade. Flip it around so that the teeth face the opposite way. Now, tighten the nut back up and you should be ready to go. Make sure you wear ear and eye protection. I promise you, you'll regret it if you don't. And there you go, freshly cut. And we just need to finish one more piece of hardware cloth and we are done. Thank you guys so much for joining this video. We'll catch you on the next one. That's right. You tell them.